Hey, what's up YouTube? Today, I'm going to show you guys a tip on how to expand your pull-down notification and turn off your device with one hand. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is download these three apps: Expand Notification, Edge, and Screen Off. Once you have downloaded all three apps, open up Edge and follow my settings. To activate, slide your thumb across the screen and press the desired apps you wish to activate. So there you go guys, that's how you use your device with one hand.